This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel.
This is an easy, simple, and tasty recipe for Chinese chicken with ginger and green onion sauce. We're using a Walmart roast chicken. So let's get started. Here we have 4 stalks of green onions. So first cut off the wilted parts from the top, and then we cut off the bottom end straight across. Next we're going to chop up the green onions. Make sure you tuck in your fingers so you don't cut off your fingers. So this should yield anywhere from half to 3/4 cup of green onions. Here we have a piece of fresh ginger. So we're going to cut off the skin. So what I do is just make a flat surface on one end. And I like to just use the knife to cut off the skin. You can use a potato peeler or you can use the edge of a knife, whatever you like. So this should yield about 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger. So what I do is I slice it up into small pieces and then I flatten it using the side of the Chinese cleaver. Here I have half a Walmart roast chicken. Check out my video on how to cut up a chicken, Chinese style. To start, preheat your wok or pan at medium to medium-high heat. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I like to use avocado oil or peanut oil. Then swirl the oil in your wok. So let it heat up for a few seconds. So when you see the smoke come from the wok, it's time to add the chopped ginger. Ginger is an aromatic, so it will bring lots of flavor to any stir fry. Now add half a cup to 3/4 cup of water or chicken stock. If you don't have any chicken stock, you can put in 1 tablespoon of chicken soup base in the boiling water. I also like to add the juice of the Walmart chicken into the sauce. I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, also known as regular soy sauce. Now I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of my favorite sauce, which is Chinese oyster sauce. Add a tablespoon of black bean sauce if you have it. To thicken the sauce, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/3 cup of water. You might add more or less of this slurry, depending how thick you want the sauce. Just before serving, add the green onions to mix into the sauce. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Look at that sauce. So there you have it, Chinese chicken with ginger and green onion sauce. Enjoy.
So here we have more than half of the leftover Walmart roast chicken. So we're going to make 6 more Chinese food dishes using this chicken. You can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And thanks for your continued support.